Hi friend, this video I am going to show you make photo collage on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this guide step by step, easily make photo collage your device. Let's get started. First thing first, open the default gallery app on your Samsung phone. After the app is open, here you can see all of the saved photos and videos listed there. Simply scroll down to the page, find the specific photos if you want to make collage. So tap on hold any single photo. After the selected notice appear, simply select another photo. Once everything you selected, look for the bottom menu bar. Here you can see various options. Find the create option, click on them. After that, see the collage option, tap on it and wait to open the next page. After this page is open, here you can see all of the default collage maker there. Simply scroll through the option, choose the collage make if you say. For example, I am choose this one. After you select the collage, you can also adjust the picture if you like. Once everything good, if you decide to save it, simply look at the top right corner and click on the save button. And you have successfully done. To check it work, simply swipe back, then tap on save. Simply scroll through the very top, find the recently made collage photos there. Simply open it and see the pop-up result. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.